corn, for example. You got hybrid GMO corn. The corn DNA has been altered to handle the harsh weed-killing chemical that is sprayed to kill everything but the plant that you're growing. Now, many people do not like genetically modified or want to eat genetically modified. My opinion, which is not certified at all, it's just my opinion, it's not that the corn is bad to eat. It is the chemicals that have been sprayed on the corn that the corn has been altered to accept and not die from, because a normal heirloom corn, you spray the round chemical on it, it will die within, a couple of hours. But this other stuff in the fields, they're spraying harsh stuff all the time, and they have to intensify the chemical makeup of it because the weeds are becoming super weeds, so they have to up the potency, and then they have to alter the DNA of these seeds in order to handle the more stronger strain of chemical that they're spraying on the weeds.
Right.
But you're not going to buy this in the garden center. You're not going to buy this in a big box store. These are companies that farmers have to sign contracts with in order not to save the seeds and rebuy each year. So don't worry about it in your backyard.
Right. That's the thing is I just wanted to hit on was that these GMO seeds are not available to an average consumer. There has to be, like Joey said, a whole contract, it's a whole thing.
And you might get a strain that flies in on corn because it's 5 miles away. But your tomatoes, your peppers, you're not going to have this. You're not purposely going to be able to buy any of this stuff, the genetically modified stuff.